We are visiting a Spanish Gothic residence designed by Arthur Harvey in 1923 in Los Angeles. Is a remarkable example of the fusion between Gothic architectural elements and Spanish colonial revival style. This architectural synthesis is evident throughout the home's interior, where traditional Gothic features harmoniously blend with Spanish influences, creating a distinctive and cohesive aesthetic. Upon entering the home, one is greeted by vaulted ceilings adorned with exposed wooden beams, a hallmark of Spanish design that adds both grandeur and warmth to the space. The walls are often finished with textured plaster, providing an aged, rustic charm reminiscent of historic Spanish estates. Intricate wrought ironwork is prominently featured in stair railings, light fixtures, and window grilles, showcasing the craftsmanship typical of the Gothic tradition. The flooring is typically composed of hand-painted terracotta tiles arranged in elaborate geometric patterns, reflecting the artistry of Spanish artisans. These vibrant tiles not only add visual interest, but also contribute to the home's authentic ambiance. The characteristic of both Gothic and Spanish styles enhance the architectural coherence and allow natural light to illuminate the interiors. The color palette within the home is dominated by earthy tones, such as deep reds, rich browns, and warm golds, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere. This is complemented by heavy, ornately carved wooden furniture pieces that anchor the rooms with a sense of history and solidity. Decorative elements like tapestries depicting historical or pastoral scenes, wrought iron chandeliers with intricate detailing, and Moorish-inspired ceramics further enrich the interior decor, adding layers of cultural reference and visual interest.